Legos probably don't need that much of an introduction, but we're excited that LEGO offers so many learning opportunities for students in both primary and intermediate grades. Because our kits have universal bricks, the same kit is used for all grade levels. This kit is designed for 2 to 3 students working on one challenge card at a time. Some challenge cards do not require all of the LEGO bricks, of course, so you may find that more than one small group can share the same kit at the same time. This is especially true for simpler challenges. Do pay attention to the sequence of the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. Each LEGO kit contains 798 individual bricks in many colors. The LEGO kit does include instructions for building several simple designs, but the challenge cards are much more likely to engage the students' creativity and their problem-solving skills. One of the challenge cards in particular is my favorite. The students have to build a boat and test whether or not it will float. If you use this challenge card with your students, be sure to have a large container of water ready for testing the students' designs. Or you can simply skip that challenge card, whatever floats your boat. As with any kit that has hundreds of small parts, take some time to make sure that students have carefully put all the Legos back into the correct box before returning it. Reach out to your EdTech with any questions, and don't forget to check out the MakerKit website for more information and ideas. Thanks a lot.